Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Knowledge Junction. Do follow me on each of the things: LinkedIn, Gmail, WhatsApp and Facebook by searching my name as Praveen Kumar Dhankar. So today we are discussing about Google Form, how it will work and how it is useful. This is ICT tools. So technology has now become a part of the education, be it in the classroom, fieldwork or research. Technology helps in making tasks easier and effective. So some of the tools which we discussed here: how to create online registration, how to prepare survey questionnaire, how to create a quiz, how to analyze the data received from responses, how to create a e-class and share information with the students. So there is a one who can do all these things, that is called Google. So here Google Forms, Google Sheets, Google Classroom. Google Forms is one of the most useful educational technology that one can learn. We can use it to collect any type of data from student or student, teacher or whomever we are working with. We can create surveys and questionnaire with different type of question formats. We can also include pictures, videos and prepare several comprehensive questions based on them. The forms are integrated with Google response sheet, Google separate sheet to view and analyze the collected data. Forms are mobile friendly. So how to create Google Forms? You just go to Google www.google.com/forms. So click on go to Google Forms and log in with your Gmail account. If you don't have any Gmail account, then first you register, then log in. Then click on plus symbol to create a new form, or some predefined form are available by default. These are available by default. So you can create and make new. So name of the form on the left top corner, this is the name of the form. So you can write what type of name you want. Then question and responses tab at the middle, this is the question and responses. Then theme, preview, setting and send option at the right corner. These are the theme, preview and setting. Send option available. So you can make type of questions here. What type of, like this is the first question we are making, so it's like multiple choice. You write question here and options here. Then question format in the Google Form. So this is the different type of questions. So here you can click on short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, filed, upload, linear scale, multiple choice grid, and checkbox grid, date and timing. So this is the format for different type of questions. So there are currently 11 type of question format available with the Google Form. short answer, one line answer, paragraph long answer, multiple choice, one answer among different options, checkbox, many answer among options, drop drawn, month, year, program, etc., file upload, photo and fee receipt uploaded for a program. Linear scale gives satisfaction rating from 1 to 5. Multiple grid, choice grid matrix form with one answer in each row. Checkbox grid matrix form with multiple answer in each row. Date, date of joining, date of birth, etc., timing can fill out the time or duration. So for checkbox you can make options like this. So you can add options by add another by clicking on another, add another. So this linear scale type, this type of question is checkbox type, and this is the linear scale type. Here you can click on linear scale and you can give 1 that is poor and 5 for excellent, and this, and then multiple choice grid. So click on multiple choice grid, so you can make on different type of questions like row and column wise. So Mr. X good, Mr. Y aggressive, Mr. Z good, cool. Likewise you can make simultaneously into in a row or column form. Then other options for each question, so you can make duplicate by clicking on this, and you can, if you want to remove, so automatically click on this and the question will be removed. Then required, you click on require, compulsory to answer, and image and videos, you can create, upload image and videos from this. Text, this is for text, and this is for new, and this for plus add. So then like this we inserted an image, the name of the person in the image, this, and then we are giving answer as short answer. So we add image to the question, ask question based on this image. Adding more questions, we can add to click on next button. So click on plus symbol to add next questions, or duplicate to get the copy of the previous question. So dividing form into more sections. So sections are very useful in organizing the form. We can skip some questions and jump to other questions, or can submit the form using sections. So customized form, customized theme is something like this. You can change color by using customized theme in the theme options, color and background. You can make changes to the default theme, change header, background color and font style. So this is the preview of your form. So click on preview button. So next to customize theme, so we can see how the form looks like and can answer the questions. So always better to preview before sending the form. So this is a setting you can line up. So 3 tabs: general, presentation and quizzes. Then under general tab we can collect email, restricted responses, edit the response, etc. Then send confirmation message after submitting the form, unable to submit another response, and then shuffler question order using during exam. So this is for quiz. So to conduct quiz or exam, marks form as quiz and learn about quiz separately. Send the form in many ways. So through email, copy and share link, enable link for website, social media, social network, etc. You can print, copy, add collaborator. So make a copy of the form and make changes accordingly. So print the form and add collaborator to the work together. So thank you very much for watching my video, being with me in this knowledgeable journey to learn different things which is useful in teaching learning process. So thank you very much.